Okay, pause, hold up. Did this kid just go for a backflip with no practice? Play the clip, I wanna see how this kid lands. Ah, yeah, that's gonna leave a mark, and that's exactly what will happen to you guys if you don't practice the backflip and just huck it first. So the reason you guys are here, you wanna learn a backflip. The reason I'm here, I'm gonna teach you a backflip. Let's go. Okay, so first of all, I need something to set my camera up on because this place up here, there's way too much glare from the lights and it just looks terrible on the net. So I'm gonna try to find something to put my camera up on so hopefully it looks cool. I mean, I gotta find something in here that I can put my camera up on. Like, there's so much crap in here. Like, I gotta find something. Living like a rock star. All right, let's turn that down because apparently you can get copyrighted nowadays. Okay, so now we got the thing to put my camera up on. Yeah, it's just like 3 boxes. That's super sketchy, but it's gonna work. It's like right next to the trampoline. It's got like this sort of view. It's gonna look sick, so let's send it.
You guys silly? I'm still gonna send it.
By the way, if you guys want to get hyped up for new tricks and try to get your adrenaline flowing, play some music in the background, play it loud in a speaker. It'll help so much. Okay, I'm gonna teleport into the trampoline. Okay, alright guys, welcome to Backflip tutorial. My name is Jesse Gerth. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because I'm gonna be doing these all week. Even though I said I would like last week, but I got super sick and I couldn't open my eyes. Like, I don't know what happened, but I was super tired. I actually made this video already 2 times, but I just didn't like how it turned out. Alright, so you guys came here to learn a backflip. You come to the right place. I'm going to teach you one. So let me just show you guys a backflip right here. And since it's from front view, it's going to look really weird, so I'll do it from this side too. Just to show you guys the different perspectives of the backflip, but this is what it should look like once you've mastered it. So you guys want to do that? Well, you're going to have to watch this tutorial to find out. Let's get started! Yeah! 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 So this video is mainly going to be on the trampoline, and then I'm going to move to ground later on in this video. So if you guys want to just learn ground backflips, skip to the end. I'll put a time right here on where it is. Right now I'm going to teach you guys first on the trampoline for the ones who don't actually know how to do it yet. So the real reason people don't like doing backflips is it's super scary to fall backwards. Everyone starts somewhere, and I've had my moments where I was just super scared to do the backflip, and I actually researched for like 3 months on how to do it. It was just one of those really big mental blocks that I could never pull myself to do. But one day, I finally did this. And it changed my perspective on backflips forever, and they actually turned out easier than front flips. Let's begin the tutorial. First exercise you want to do, by getting the back fear down. Remember, we're getting the back fear down first, and then after that we're going to go head to the backflip. Fall on your back, and then kind of roll over. It's called a pull over. It looks like this. And the main reason people have this fear is they can't see what's behind them, so they can't see how they're rotating, how they're doing, like if there's someone behind them, even though if they're alone in the garage, no one's going to be behind there unless there's ghosts. I know you're around here. If you want to do the back pullover a couple times, you just land your back and then pull your feet over your head so you get the back rotation. Just land your back, and then once you're here, what I like to do is I like to roll off my butt onto my back and then kick my feet over my head so I get kind of a rolling bounce and then, you know, the back rotation. So try doing back pullovers. Super easy trick. And you can also use your hands if you're too scared to like not have your hands there. It looks like this. Say you want to do the back pullover a couple times, get your back fear down, and then we're going to move on to the thing called the egg flip, and that's where you land like this on the trampoline, and then use that momentum to pull yourself around. Like I said, you're rolling off your butt, but now you're rolling off your feet to your butt. So you get that backwards rotation, and if you want to use your hands, you can, but it looks like this. And what that does better than the pullover, it actually gets you rotating in the air. You're getting your next taste, next step towards the backflip actually rotating in the air, and it's a scary trick, you guys, but if you just follow these steps, you'll get over it. It all comes down to hucking it, and hopefully you don't die. Okay, so back pullover you mastered. The egg flip you've mastered. You can actually do pullover over rotated to your back so you get like rotation feeling. And now is the sad time that you'll actually have to just go for the backflip. The #1 rule to backflips: 1, never untuck because you'll die. 2, well actually it's pretty much the same as the first rule. Don't untuck, and it's pretty much just commit your entire way. Never let go of your tuck because that can lead to you just flailing around the air. You don't know where you are because you don't have air awareness yet. Just when you're doing the backflip, be sure to just fully send it, don't untuck. Fully rotate, and once you think you're around, then is the time to let go. so you can land like this on the trampoline. All you need to learn now is to throw your arms up and kind of back so you get the backwards rotation. And once you're about here in the air, then you want to bring your legs up to your chest, tuck for your life, pull yourself around. That's the 3 steps. Jump, throw, tuck, keep the tuck, pull yourself around, you'll go around, you'll land like this. There's no way you won't land other than that unless you untuck or you have like just a terrible rotation. That's the basic rules for a backflip, so just follow those steps and you'll be fine to do it. So this is pretty much the end of the trampoline tutorial. I pretty much taught you all that you can benefit from this video and benefit from the backflip tutorial. Now's the time for you to just go huck it in your trampoline, and if you don't have a trampoline, go to a trampoline park. First learn it in the foam pit because that's way easier to do. If I had a foam pit, I'd totally teach you guys how to do it, but it's basically just throwing yourself backwards. So yeah, at the end, once you master the backflips, it should look like this. So after about 5 or 10, you'll start to land the backflip, and finally you can start getting into mastering it. Alright, we're gonna head to the ground now. Let me teleport through this net first. Whoa. Alright, see you guys at the next step. Okay guys, so we are back in the house, and I still forgot that I have to do the second half of the backflip tutorial on the ground, so we're gonna do that real quick. I'm really tired and I want to get this video up as soon as possible, so I don't really want to take as much time to wait for tomorrow for the perfect time to do the backflip tutorial, but I get the video up late, so I'm just gonna do it right now and hope you guys understand. Okay, so what I'm sitting on right now, it's a beanbag that we got actually for Christmas, and it's like oversized, it's gigantic. It's one of those beanbags that are kind of good for flips, but again, not made for it. So since I can't make a lot of noise up here, and I can't flip on the ground back onto the ground, and my mom will kill me because it makes a lot of noise, I'm just gonna do it on the beanbag for now. I gotta get this video up because I've been slacking so much. I've just been sick, okay? By the way, I know our room's a mess. I bet you guys are too. We're all teenagers. We all have messy rooms. Just deal with it. Okay, I'm gonna fluff this up because I hate landing on a hard beanbag. By the way, Coco's in the background. Say hi, Coco.
Hello.
Okay, so you've moved from the trampoline onto hopefully a mattress, and now you're here. I got this beanbag, and I got my other black pad floor that I got at my dad's house for Christmas, and we're gonna move that into this house. I don't know where to put it. I might put it out in the garage, but it's gonna be really cold. So a backflip on the ground is basically what you guys were doing on the trampoline, except putting way more effort into it. So instead of giving like no effort into it, you really wanna just push yourself. Just try to throw your arms as hard as you can, bend your knees, and just push off the ground like a rocket, like just going straight up. And then once you're here, you want to kind of tilt your head back so you kind of get the rotation in, and then you bring your knees up to your chest and tuck as hard as you can, tuck for your life, and that'll sustain the rotation, make it a little bit faster so you can actually land back. By the way, I'm kind of getting back into ground flips because I haven't done it in a really long time, so don't cyberbully me in the comment section because I suck at backflips, okay? I'm here to teach you guys one.
How's that?
Let me angle the camera down really quick so you can actually see my feet movements. You guys like feet? You guys don't have to do this, but a step into the backflip really helps your rotation, but you don't have to do it. So you start out like this, you kind of step forward, then you kind of bring it back, and then that'll get yourself like kind of already going back. So when you jump up, you're already going backwards, so you won't have the fear of landing back where you started. You want to put your foot in front of you, that gets the backward rotation going in, but if you want to do it just standing here, you can too. And that's what it should look like if you're bad. Okay guys, you've reached the outro to this video. I hope this video helped you out with the backflip, and if it did, please tell me in the comments because I'd love to hear you guys' feedback. And don't forget, I'm doing tutorials for the rest of the week this week. Every single day, a different trick on the trampoline. So if you guys are new to the trampoline game and want to learn some new tricks, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, post notifications, get ready for the new videos. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys tomorrow for tomorrow's tutorial. Hang loose.